Moving on to change turn. So this is where we're going to change the player's turn from X to O or from O to X. So here, this function change turn, it has one parameter mark that's going to be either the string X or O. We just need to return the opposite one. So if it's X, we're going to return O. If it's O, we're going to return X. All right. So in here, change turn. So we could write it like this: if mark equals X, return O. Otherwise, return X like this. So that logic should do it. Now we can actually use the ternary operator here and say, we'll just go right to a return statement. And let me just separate this. Let's just say I'm converting this. So we'll return O if mark equals X. Otherwise, we'll return X. So this is how you can write this simple if-else statement using a ternary. So this is a perfect situation to do that. Remember, the if statement comes first, and then you have the code in that code block on the left and then on the right. All right, so let's go ahead and delete this. So that's what we want to do. So let's go back over here, and let's just say we have a initial mark, so it'll be X to begin with. And now we're going to change the turn, and we'll say change turn. And so the new mark, we're going to update it. We're going to pass in the mark, and we're going to update it. And then we'll print out something like, let's say, player, we'll say marks, I'm going to have to use double quotes over here, turn. Okay. So we're just going to interpolate, substitute in mark over here to what it is. And we can actually have this at the beginning of the game. We can just say player marks turn. And then we'll see over here, it should be the other player. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. It's going to run all of this code. And Python tic-tac-toe. So it says, now it says player X's turn. So I'm going to do, say, 0, 1. And now it prints out there. And then finally it prints out, now it's player O's turn. Okay, very good. So, so it looks like it's working. And that is it for the change turn. Very simple. We're just going to change the mark from O to X and vice versa.